It's happening, guys. And if you're someone looking for something new, then you just clicked onto the right video. Yes, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the best Amazon Prime Day gaming deals available this year. And whether you're a PlayStation diehard, Xbox fan, Nintendo, or PC gamer, I've got some amazing deals for you. You don't wanna miss out. So buckle up and let's dive into some deals. Also, I'll be on the lookout for other Prime Day deals from other categories like TV, smart tech, etc. So make sure to click the subscribe button if you're interested so that you don't miss out any info. First of all, before we go any further, you should know that in order to participate or take part on this day, you should be a registered Prime member, and thank God you can get all these deals with a free 30-day Prime subscription trial. And not only will you be able to take part, but also you'll get other benefits like streaming movies, TV series from Amazon Video for free, and streaming music from Amazon Music again for free. Like, there are lots of benefits, and I've included a link in the description just in case you're nasty. There's gonna be more info. Link is in the description. Make sure to check out the description. And starting with the PlayStation deals, I found a lot of PS4 and Xbox One games with over 20% of discount for you to stock. And I know what some of you are thinking right now, so my answer to you will be that whether you're going to stick with the older generation or you're just waiting for November to buy the next generation consoles, it's all okay, because all of them are going to be backward compatible, meaning a number of titles I'm going to be mentioning right now are all going to be playable. And starting with number one, I have Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. And this Complete Edition is one of the most fun to play PS4 exclusive, which is now $9 off, and you can get it now at only $15, which is amazing, because we probably, it is rare of course to find like a discount on this exclusive. But anyway, this RPG is developed by Guerrilla, which is a game focused on where nature has reclaimed the ruins of a forgotten civilization and humanity lives in primitive hunter-gathering tribes. You'll be able to fight machines and also explore a vibrant world full of nature and inspiring high tech. And going to number two, I have Doom Eternal, which is a sequel to the 2016 best-selling Doom, and this one is only $23 now, yet its list price is $59. That's a steal, guys. In this game, you'll play as a Doom Slayer who returns to Earth to fight the demonic invasion. You raise hell and discover the Slayer's origins and his enduring missions to kill demons, guys. It's only $23 now. You can check the description. Links are going to be listed in the description. In case you're interested in any of these games, they are going to be linked in the description. So make sure to check it out, guys. And going to number 3 on the list comes MK11 or Mortal Kombat 11. And this iconic franchise is one of my favorites of all time. I mean, I've been playing Mortal Kombat games for as long as since my childhood. And anyway, this, what I love about MK11 is that it comes with this new amazing graphics engine which showcases the skull shattering, eye-popping moments mentioned by a few. Now this usually retails at $49, but clicking the link in the description you get it at only $19, guys. That's a steal, man. Including mine, it is just a love. I love MK11. But anyway, in other deals, I found Far Cry New Dawn from Ubisoft, whose list price is always at $23, but now you can get it at $13. And Tom Clancy Ghost Recon Breakpoint Limited Edition is only at $31 if you're shopping from Amazon UK this Prime Day. This game's list price is 49, man. You can do some savings there, man. It is a great deal for you. And now for the consoles, man, I didn't find so much deals out there, cause basically on Prime Day you can't find like huge or massive discounts on video game consoles. So don't expect a lot of discounts on PS4s, Xbox. But if you're really interested in one, I've included links in the description again. It can help you to save some couple of dollars, like 50 to 30. Yeah, that's not much, but anyways, the best day I would recommend you to buy these older console generations is on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. They will be massively discounted, and it is not that far. It is going to be happening in November, which is not far. So it's upon you now. You can wait it out or just check the links in the description so that you can save up some money. And switching up gaming to Nintendo, yes, Nintendo has some massive discounts, and you'll find that the Nintendo Switch with neon blue and neon red Joy-Cons is now at $299, which is basically its lowest price this year I've ever seen. And yes, thanks to Amazon Prime Day, this usually is always at $340. Man, you can get it at $299. That's actually a steal now. And going to the second deal from Nintendo comes the Nintendo Switch Lite in turquoise, which is now at only $199. Now its list price is always $222, but if you can get it at $199, that's a great deal. And going to number 3 on the list comes the Nintendo Switch travel and storage case. Of course, as the name it sounds, it helps to keep your Nintendo Switch safe. And this is usually not always, like, this is an Amazon basic, and it is not usually like discounted, but anyway, you can get $7 off its list price, and you can get it at only $14, which is a steal also. Another deal I found out for Nintendo Switch is the game storage case, and for now you can get it at only $10. And going to the PC deals, a lot of this is in the hardware, and you find massive discounts in the hardware side, from VRs to gaming mouses and games themselves. But anyway, I've got some deals for you too. And starting with number 1 comes the VR headsets from HTC, and these are none but other than the HTC Vive Cosmos VR. And I did a whole video explaining much about VRs in case you're nasty, and this is one of my best VRs. And yeah, you can get it at only $549, and that is over $118 off their list price. That's a great deal for you also, in case you're interested in a VR headset. And other deals like gaming mouses are going to be in the description. Also make sure to subscribe to my blog, because there are gonna be so many deals running out there, so make sure to check it out also. Other things, like, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any question or you want to share something, please make sure to let me know in the comments below. And with that said, till next time, bye bye, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.